Hello Internet, welcome to Bob Theory, and in this video, it is the final Blizzard theory. After this, I finally found out what he is and what he does. Alright? Alright, now first of all, think of some celebrities that are rumored to be a part of the Illuminati. Beyonce, Jay-Z, Kanye West, Kim Kardashian. Do you notice a pattern? Do you know what I'm saying? All these people that are rumored to be a part of the Illuminati have an E sound in their name. Alright? And one of Blizzard's nicknames is Blizz E. Alright? Do you see what I'm saying? Blizzard is a part of the Illuminati. And there's more proof. In Friday Night Funkin's universe, Updike is probably a part of the Illuminati. Alright? And what does Updike want to do? Bring peace to the world. That's literally just what the Avatar wants to do, which we've already established. That's what Blizzard is in the last theory. And if you don't believe me, I literally have proof confirming Blizzard is actually the Avatar. He DM'd me on Discord saying I was right. Boom, I found out what Blizzard does. Alright, everyone? And now, it's the end of the Blizzard saga. And I've got more conspiracy theories coming soon. So remember, like, sub, and share the video. And come back for the next episode of Bob Theory.